Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about AOMEI FastRecovery Professional, a powerful tool that helps you recover your lost or deleted data quickly and safely. So let's start. First of all, what is AOMEI FastRecovery? AOMEI FastRecovery Professional is a data recovery software made for Windows computers. It helps you recover files that were deleted by mistake, lost due to a system crash, virus attack, or even from a formatted drive. It supports almost all file types, like photos, videos, documents, emails, and more. It is fast, easy to use, and designed for both beginners and professionals. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of AOMEI FastRecovery Professional: Quick Scan and Deep Scan. It can find recently deleted files or deeply hidden data. Recover from any device: hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, SD cards, cameras, and more. Preview before recovery. You can check the file before restoring it. Safe Recovery Engine. It does not damage your original data. User-friendly interface. Very simple for anyone to understand. High success rate. It recovers most files with great accuracy. So, who can benefit most from it? AOMEI FastRecovery Professional is helpful for students, office workers, content creators, photographers, videographers, IT technicians, and anyone who loses data often or works with important files. Now, one of the most common questions is AOMEI FastRecovery safe to use? Yes, AOMEI FastRecovery is completely safe to use. It is made by AOMEI, a well-known and trusted software company. The program does not harm your files and does not contain any malware. Many users and professionals trust it for data recovery. Now, how to use AOMEI FastRecovery. Using AOMEI FastRecovery is very simple. Just follow these steps. Install the software on your Windows PC. Open the program and choose the drive where you lost your data. Click Scan. The software will run a quick scan and then a deep scan. After the scan completes, you will see all your lost files. Select the files you want to recover. Click Recover and save them to a safe location. That's it. Your deleted files are restored. Now, if you want to unlock unlimited recovery and premium features, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a complete overview of AOMEI FastRecovery Professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.